I never heard you do that before. Ah! I heard that before. And that's what I mean, like the timing. It's not about them doing it. It's the timing. Whoa. It's been sitting there for... Okay, I'm going to end this video. Good job. See? Timing. Timing. Let's use our common sense. I'm not rhyming because we're grown adults and we shouldn't need that to think. Everybody can do it. That's my message. I want everyone to be empowered because that's my mission. You dig?